Incident assigned.
Okay, 31 dispatch. We're probably going to need another third shift supervisor over here, please.
232-0.
What's going on, guys? I'm sorry? Yeah, you don't have any tag lights. Yeah. Is everything? Yeah, I can't stop you for no reason, man. Where y'all headed to? Back home? Okay. Where's home at? Midwest City? Okay. Y'all just hanging out down here tonight? You were leaving? No, yeah, I'm just asking what y'all were doing. Okay, yeah, you got your driver's license, proof of insurance on you? Can you roll this window down for me, please? Is anybody in the car 21?
No.
Okay. So you do you have a driver's license or just a learner permit? Just a learner permit. Hey, buddy, just till I figure this out, can you hop out for me?
While I'm listening?
We'll look in a minute. I'm not worried about that right now. Okay.
I'm being pulled up.
Hop out the car for me, please.
I actually want to be like pulled up.
You have a learner permit, and with a learner permit, you got to have someone that's 21 or older to drive with you. Okay?
No, I don't.
Yeah. Hop out.
Hold on.
Hop out the car.
I'm getting
Hop out the car, man.
I'm getting out, son.
You're being detained, man.
For what?
I just told you. I literally just told you. You're not 21. You have a learner permit. Even if you are 21, you got to have a driver's license, and you got to have someone 21 or older. You have a learner permit.
You can look my name. I have a driver's license. I just haven't went to go get it, but you can look my name.
Until I figure it out, you're gonna come with me. Right?
How's your day moving?
Not that good, man. Everybody's been being rude to me. Anyway, is there anything else? Is that a Glock? You were born. How old are you? 20. You know how old you got to be to have a handgun?
No.
21. Man, that's something you got to tell me, brother. You got anything else on you?
No, sir. I'm not selling or anything.
Gotcha. Well, I'm just gonna tell you, cooperation goes a long way. Okay, we started off on the wrong foot. Okay.
I'm not doing anything wrong.
I got you. Okay.
Could you help me?
Huh?
Could you help me? Like, this is my first time, like, doing any of this, so I need help.
I'll get you figured out. Okay. Hop in the car for me.
I need help. I've never.
You need help getting in the car?
Yeah.
Oh, just scoot your butt that way. You're really tall, so you're gonna have to just scoot your butt, and it'll be way more comfortable for you.